If you're a veteran receiving disability compensation from the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs, VA, or you know someone who is, this update matters. In 2026 a new pay chart will take effect, updated disability rates based on a cost of living adjustment, COLA, eligibility rules, and the payment schedule are all changing. In this video, we'll walk you through the new VA disability rates for 2026 and how they compare to 2025. Who is eligible and how your dependents, rating percentage and status affect your amount. The payment schedule, when you'll see the increased payment in your account. Why the 2026 rates are changing. The VA adjusts disability compensation rates each year based on inflation and other economic factors. For 2026, the latest COLA increase of 2.8% has been announced and applies to VA disability rates. The new pay chart will be effective December 1, 2025, so the first increased payment will show in January 2026, or depending on the schedule, for many veterans. This means that your monthly benefit may go up automatically, no separate application is required for the COLA portion. Bullet points, COLA equals 2.8% for 2026. Effective date December 1, 2025 for new rates. First higher payment likely January 2026, or based on schedule. Applies to base disability compensation and many additional allowances. Understanding the VA disability rating system. Your monthly compensation is determined by your disability rating, 10% through 100%, and your dependent's household status, spouse, children, parents. The higher your rating and the more dependents, the higher the monthly amount. Bullet points, ratings, 10%, 20%, 30%, up to 100%. Dependents increase the payout for ratings 30% plus, spouse, children, parents. The VA uses combined ratings math when you have multiple disabilities. For 10% and 20% ratings, dependent amounts may not apply. Veterans United Home Loans. The 2026 pay chart, key numbers you should know. Here are some of the notable figures for 2026, based on data as of October-November 2025, for veterans with no dependents. Veterans United Home Loans. +1. Bullet points, 10% rating, $180.42 for month, 2026 estimate. Veterans United Home Loans. 20% rating, $356.66 a month. Veterans United Home Loans. 50% rating, $132.90 month, no dependents. Veterans United Home Loans. 100% rating, $3,938.58 month, no dependents, under new 2026 chart. With dependents, spouse and child, the numbers rise, e.g. a 100% veteran with spouse and one child, $4,318.99 month in one chart. These numbers give you a reference point, your actual amount depends on your rating, dependents and effective date. Eligibility and what you must do. To qualify for the new 2026 rates and ensure you receive the correct amount, you must have a service-connected disability rated by the VA. Your rating decision must be effective December 1, 2025 or earlier to benefit from the new rate immediately. Ensure your dependents, spouse, children, parents are properly registered with the VA to receive added amounts. No extra application is required for the rate increase, the COLA adjustment is automatic if you already receive compensation. CCK Law. Bullet points, must have approved VA disability rating. Dependents must be recorded for added amounts. Rate increase is automatic, you don't need to apply. If your rating is being increased or approved late, you may receive back pay covering earlier months at new rate. Payment schedule, when you'll see the increase. Knowing when the new payment hits your account is essential. For 2026, the rates are effective December 1, 2025. The VA pays on the first business day of each month, but if that day is a weekend or federal holiday, the payment is sent on the last business day of the previous month. CCK Law. Example schedule, for the December 2025 benefit, which uses 2026 rates, payment may go out December 31, 2025 if December 1 is a weekend holiday. CCK Law. Bullet points, effective date, December 1st, 2025, first increased payment likely late December or early January. Payment on first business day of month or adjusted for weekends or holidays. Check your bank account and VA account statements. If you don't see increase by the date, check for rating DEP update issues. What's new for dependents and additional allowances? The 2026 rate increase also impacts added amounts for dependents, children over 18 in school, and allowances such as aid and attendance, A&A. Veterans United Home Loans. +1. Bullet points, each additional child under age 18 receives added amount, e.g. $75.86 for 100% rating for 2026. Berry Law. School-age children over the 18th of May also bring added amount. Veterans United Home Loans. Aid and attendance housebound allowances also increase with the COLA. CCK Law. If your dependents changed, married, child reached 18, parent became dependent, update VA records, affects added rates. Why some veterans may not see the increase immediately. Even though the rates increase automatically, here are reasons you might not see the new amount right away. Your rating decision is not yet final or effective after December 1st, 2025. The VA has not yet processed updated dependent information. Your direct deposit or bank details are outdated. You have other offsets or holds, e.g. overpayment recovery. Payment date falls on holiday weekend, payment may get pushed. Bullet points, check final rating effective date. Confirm dependent status updated. Verify banking info on file with VA or expect potential short delay if payment date adjusted. Planning ahead, how to use this information. Knowing the new rates and schedule allows you to plan your finances. Mark your calendar for when the rate change takes effect, December 1st, 2025, and when your next payment will hit. Estimate your new monthly benefit using your rating and dependent status. Use the added dependent amounts to project changes if your family situation changes. Consider how this increase interacts with other benefits, Social Security, military retirement, etc. If you're in the claims appeals process, make sure you aim for a final decision before December 1st to catch the higher rate year. Bullet points, estimate your amount using the posted charts. Budget around the new payment date. Use the increase to plan expenses, savings, or debt reduction. Consider updating family dependent info before the effective date for higher added amounts. Where to find the official charts and tools. To access official and updated information, visit the VA website's compensation rates page. Veterans Affairs. Use the calculators and paychart tools offered by veteran advocate sites, e.g. Veterans United, VA Claims Insider. Check your VA online account for your rating decision, benefit history, and payment details. Speak with an accredited veteran service officer, VSO, or attorney if you're unclear about your rating or appeal status. Bullet points, va.gov compensation rates. Use calculators to estimate your specific amount. Maintain your records, rating decision letter, dependents list, direct deposit info. Seek advice if you're appealing or expecting rating changes. To sum up, the VA disability pay chart for 2026 includes a 2.8% COLA increase effective December 1st, 2025. Your monthly payout depends on your rating, dependence, and status, and the first payment at the new rate will hit soon. Make sure you meet eligibility, have your dependent status correct and your banking info up to date. Use this knowledge to plan ahead. Your benefit is tax-free, and this increase helps keep pace with inflation. If this video helped you understand your upcoming VA benefit changes, please like, subscribe, and share with veteran friends and family. Thanks for watching. Stay prepared, stay informed, and get the full benefit you earned.